Video tutorial will show how to solve two-step equations. Our first example will be negative 2x minus 3 equals negative 9. Again, we are going to try to isolate our variable x, or to get it alone on one side of the equation to determine its value. The first thing we want to do is look to see if either side can be simplified. In this example, neither side can be simplified, so we can move forward isolating our variable. We first want to take care of the minus 3. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition, so minus 3 and plus 3 will cancel one another out. Remember, what we do to one side of an equation, we must also do to the other side. Let's simplify the left side of the equation first. Minus 3 and plus 3 will cancel one another out, leaving us with just negative 2x on the left side of the equation. Looking to the right side of the equation, negative 9 plus 3 equals negative 6. Now, because negative 2 and x are being multiplied, we need to use the inverse operation, which is division. So we will divide by negative 2. What we do to one side of an equation, we must also do to the other side. Let's simplify the left side of the equation. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1, so we are left with 1x, and we know that 1x is x. Looking to the right side of the equation, negative 6 divided by negative 2 equals 3. So we have successfully isolated our variable and determined that x equals 3. Let's substitute our solution back into the original equation to check for accuracy. After substituting 3 in for x, we first do negative 2 times 3, which is negative 6, and then negative 6 minus 3, which is negative 9. So our answer of x equals 3 checks out. Let's do one more example. X divided by negative 2 plus 4 equals negative 2. Again, we want to isolate our variable x, or get it alone on one side of the equation to determine its value. First, we determine that neither side of the equation can be simplified, so we can move forward solving our equation. To begin isolating our variable, we need to get rid of plus 4. The inverse operation for addition is subtraction, so to get rid of plus 4, we have to do minus 4. What we do to one side of an equation, we must also do to the other side of the equation. Let's simplify the left side of the equation first. Plus 4 and minus 4 cancel one another out, leaving us with just x divided by negative 2. On the right side of the equation, we have negative 2 minus 4, which is negative 6. Now we have x divided by negative 2. We know that the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So to cancel out divided by negative 2, we have to multiply by negative 2. What we do to one side of the equation, we also have to do to the other side. On the left side of the equation, multiplying by negative 2 and dividing by negative 2 will cancel one another out, so we are left with just x. On the right side, negative 6 times negative 2 is 12. So we have successfully isolated x and determined that its value is 12. Let's substitute our solution back into the original equation to check for accuracy. After substituting 12 in for x, we do 12 divided by negative 2, which is negative 6, and then negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So our answer of x equals 12 checks out.